Swagbucks VIPers are designed for active users who earn regularly on the platform, but the value depends on how often you use Swagbucks and which rewards you actually complete. By the end, you'll know how Swagbucks VIP works, what benefits to look for, and whether spending more time on the platform makes sense for you. Swagbucks VIP status is connected to your activity on the platform. The more you use Swagbucks features and earn rewards, the more opportunities you may have to access higher account benefits. The main advantage of a VIP tier is that active users may receive additional perks compared with regular users. Before trying to reach a higher tier, check whether the benefits match the way you already use Swagbucks. If you only use Swagbucks occasionally, spending extra time just to reach a VIP level may not provide enough value. If you already complete surveys, offers, and other earning activities regularly, VIP benefits may be more useful because they add value to activity you are already doing. The important part is comparing the effort required with the benefits you receive. Check your Swagbucks account dashboard to see what VIP features are available to you. The benefits and requirements can vary depending on your account and current Swagbucks programs. Also consider the type of activities you complete most often. A user who mainly completes surveys may have a different experience from someone who uses offers, shopping rewards, or other earning options. Do not focus only on the VIP label. Look at whether the extra benefits actually improve your rewards or make using Swagbucks easier. If reaching a VIP level requires spending more time than you normally would, compare that extra effort with the rewards you expect to receive. The main points are simple. Swagbucks VIP is mainly useful for active users. The value depends on your personal usage, and you should compare the benefits with the effort required. Open your Swagbucks account, review your available VIP information, and decide based on your own earning habits instead of trying to reach a tier without a clear benefit. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app comparisons, and earning app reviews. And like the video if this helped you understand whether Swagbucks VIP is worth it.